Hello friends, welcome to my channel HYYL English Literature. Today we are going to study a very important writer J.M. Coetzee. So let's start our video. J.M. Coetzee was born in which year? The options are 1935, 1940, 1945, 1950. So the correct option is 1940. Our next question is, what is the full name of J.M. Coetzee? The options are John Maxwell Coetzee, John Junior Coetzee, John Senior Coetzee, none of the above. So the correct option is John Maxwell Coetzee. Our next question is, Coetzee was born in which country? The options are England, Australia, South Africa, Algeria. So the correct option is South Africa. Our next question is, in which year Coetzee received Nobel Prize? The options are 2000, 2003, 2007, 2010. So the correct option is option B, 2003. Our next question is, in which year Coetzee became Australian citizen? The options are 2000, 2002, 2004, 2008. So the correct answer is 2002. Our next question is, how many times Coetzee got Booker Prize? The options are one times, never, two times, or he is the only writer to get three times. So the correct answer is two times. Our next question is, name the work for which Coetzee received Booker Prize. The options are Dusk Lands, Life and Times of Michael K. Disgrace, B and C. So the correct answer is B and C. The Life and Times of Michael K., which was published in the year 1983, and Disgrace, which was published in the year 1999. Name the autobiographical novel of Coetzee, which focuses on his years spent growing up in South Africa. The options are Boyhood, Scenes from Provincial Life, Youth, Scenes from Provincial Life 2, Scenes from Provincial Life, Summertime. So the correct answer is option A, Boyhood, Scenes from Provincial Life, which was published in the year 1997. Our next question is, name the semi-fictionalized autobiographical novel in which Coetzee's experience in England was recorded. It is semi-fictionalized by autobiographical novel recounting his struggle in 1990 London after fleeing to the political unrest of Cape Town. So the options are Boyhood, Scenes from Provincial Life, Youth, Scenes from Provincial Life 2, Scenes from Provincial Life, Summertime. So the correct answer is option B, Youth, Scenes from Provincial Life 2, which was published in the year 2002. Our next question is, name the first published novel of J.M. Coetzee. The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, Dusklands, Age of Iron. So the correct answer is Dusklands. Friends, please do remember this novel consists of two separate stories. The first story is the Vietnam Project, and the second story is the narrative of Tecobas Coetzee. Our next question is, what is the Nobel Prize accepted speech of Coetzee titled as? The options are All His Countrymen, He and His Men, the Black People of South Africa, Love for His Country. So the correct option is option B, He and His Men. Which Coetzee's book contains two novellas united in their exploration of colonization. The Vietnam Project, set in the United States in the late 20th century, and the narrative of Jacobus Coetzee, set in 18th century South Africa. The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, Dusklands, Age of Iron. So the correct option is Dusklands, which was published in the year 1974. Our next question is, Which work of Coetzee, also published as From the Heart of the Country, filmed as Dust in the year 1986, is a stream of consciousness narrative of a boer made omen? The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, Dusklands, Age of Iron. So the correct answer is option B, In the Heart of the Country, which was published in the year 1977. Our next question is, which novel of Coetzee is a reworking of Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe? The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, 4, Age of Iron. So the correct option is 4. It was published in the year 1986. Our next question is, who is the protagonist in the novel 4, who landed on the same island inhabited by Crusoe and Friday? The options are Fyodor Dostoevsky, Mrs. Lauren, Elizabeth Costello, Susan Barton. So the correct option is option D, Susan Barton. Our next question is, what was the reason for Susan Barton's journey in the novel 4? The options are to explore the world, love for the sea, to find her kidnapped daughter, search for Robinson Crusoe. So the correct answer is to find her kidnapped daughter. Our next question is, which work of Coetzee depicts the inward journey of Mrs. Lauren, an old classics professor dying slowly of cancer? The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, 4, Age of Iron. So the correct answer is option D, Age of Iron. It was published in the year 1990. Our next question is, which novel of Coetzee features the Russian writer Fyodor Dostoevsky as its protagonist? The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, The Master of Petersburg, and option D, Age of Iron. The correct answer is option C, The Master of Petersburg. It was published in the year 1994. Our next question is, name the work for which Coetzee got the Booker Prize. It is set in a violent post-apartheid South Africa. David Lurie, a South African professor of English who loses everything: his job, his reputation, his peace of mind, his dream of artistic success, and finally, even to protect his own daughter. His daughter Lucy is gang raped by three black men at her isolated homestead in the Eastern Cape. The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, The Master of Petersburg, Age of Iron. So the correct option is option A, Disgrace. It was published in the year 1999. Our next question is, name the novel in which Elizabeth Costello is a celebrated aging Australian writer who travels around the world and gives lectures on topics including the lives of animals and literary censorship. In her youth, Costello wrote The House on Eccles Street, a novel that retells James Joyce's Ulysses from the perspective of the protagonist's wife, Molly Bloom. The options are Fyodor Dostoevsky, Mrs. Lauren, Elizabeth Costello, Susan Barton. So the correct option is option C, Elizabeth Costello. It was published in the year 2003. Our next question is, Elizabeth Costello is also a character in Coetzee's other novels. Which are the other novels? The options are The Lives of Animals, Slow Men, option C is A and B, and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, A and B. Our next question is, which out of the following is a short fiction written by J.M. Coetzee? The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, The Lives of Animals, Life and Times of Michael K. So the correct option is option C, The Lives of Animals. It was published in the year 1999. Our next question is, which out of the following autobiographical works is not a part of Coetzee's trilogy? The options are Boyhood, Scenes from Provincial Life, Youth, Scenes from Provincial Life 2, Scenes from Provincial Life, and the fourth option, Summertime. So the correct answer is option C, Scenes from Provincial Life. Our next question is, which novel begins with a poor man with a cleft lip who has spent his childhood in institutions and works as a gardener in Cape Town? The options are Disgrace, In the Heart of the Country, Foe, Life and Times of Michael K. So the correct answer is option D, Life and Times of Michael K. Our next question is, name the work which won the James Strait Black Memorial Prize and Geoffrey Faber Memorial Prize for fiction. Coetzee took the title from a poem by Greek poet Constantine P. Lebevi. The options are Waiting for the Barbarians, In the Heart of the Country, The Master of Petersburg, and the fourth option is Age of Iron. So the correct answer is option A, Waiting for the Barbarians. It was published in the year 1980. Our next question is, name the novel in which Paul Raymond, a character in his 60s, has his right leg above the knee amputated after a bicycle accident. The options are option A, Waiting for the Barbarians, option B, In the Heart of the Country, option C, The Master of Petersburg, option D, Slow Man. So the correct answer is option D, Slow Man. Our next question is, in which work of Coetzee Senor C is the protagonist? The options are Diary of a Bad Year, In the Heart of the Country, The Master of Petersburg, Slow Man. So the correct answer is option A, Diary of a Bad Year. Our next question is, the short fiction The Lives of Animals consists of how many chapters? The options are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct answer is option B, 2. Our next question is, what are the name of the two chapters in Coetzee's novella The Lives of the Animals? The options are The Philosophers and the Animals, The Poets and the Animals. Option C is both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Our next question is, who is the main character in the work The Life of Animals? The options are Fyodor Dostoevsky, Mrs. Lauren, Elizabeth Costello, Susan Barton. So the correct answer is option C, Elizabeth Costello.